Talk about yourself. How to talk about yourself in English. Easy phrases. Today, we'll focus on something very personal. Talking about yourself in English.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Oh, hi. Yes, it is. Please, sit down.
Thank you. It's a bit busy today.
Yes, but it's cozy. I like this cafe.
Me too. It feels calm.
By the way, I'm Ben.
Nice to meet you, Ben. I'm Emily.
Nice to meet you too, Emily.
Are you waiting for someone?
No, just me and my tea. I'm doing a little work.
Oh, sorry. I hope I'm not disturbing you.
Not at all. I'm happy to talk. I'm an English teacher at Ling Portal.
Really?
Yes.
That's great. I'm learning English.
Perfect match then. So, Emily, where are you from?
I'm from Poland, from a city called Wrocław.
Wrocław? That's a beautiful city. How do you spell it?
W-R-O-C-L-A-W.
Thank you. And how long have you lived here in Dublin?
Almost 2 years.
Nice. And how old are you?
I'm 24.
Nice age. I'm 32.
That's not old.
Thank you.
Are you from Dublin?
I'm from a small town near Dublin. It's by the sea.
That sounds lovely.
It is. My parents still live there. What about your family?
My family is small. I'm an only child.
Oh, just you. That can be nice too.
Yes, I miss my parents.
I understand. How would you describe yourself?
I'm friendly and calm, sometimes a bit shy.
You don't seem shy now.
Maybe I feel safe talking to you.
That's good.
What about you?
I'm calm and patient. I like helping people.
That's perfect for a teacher.
What do you do here in Dublin?
I work in a small cafe. I'm a barista.
Nice. Do you like it?
Yes, it's busy, but I like talking to people.
Free coffee too.
Yes,
Big advantage. What do you do in your free time?
I like drawing, walking, and watching films in English.
That's great. What's your favourite drink?
Coffee.
Of course, I like tea. And your favourite season?
Autumn. I love the colours.
Me too. Autumn is calm. Is there something you don't like?
I don't like loud places.
Same here. I don't like rudeness, and I don't like being rushed.
Me neither.
Emily, this was a really nice conversation.
Yes, thank you. I feel more confident now.
You did very well. Your English is clear.
Thank you.
Keep practicing and speaking.
I will.
See you next time.
Thank you for the conversation, Ben. See you next time. Maybe here in the cafe or on Ling Portal.